Now look at this scenario. This is a very interesting scenario you will see over here, and you can see that what is going on in this scenario. Okay, I just give you 1 minute. Okay, look at this diagram. It's very easy diagram, and it will tell you what is business reporting, what is data information, decision making, and the different business functions over there. And then we can discuss this diagram.
Okay, first of all, they will select the correct, the accurate data from the data repository to generate the meaningful information. That's the reporting step. In order to make the decision maker to take the accurate decision, and then the action.
Okay, right. So from where you're gonna start, like how the process starts, like?
From data repository, from the one down in the corner.
Data repository. Okay. But I see something else here. The business usually process might not start from business repositories, or yeah, anyone else can just give some more detail about it. Because the data repository will be filled after some function, some process has to be done over there. So
I think after the ETL extraction of the data from the data repository.
The extraction of the data
from I think there will be an ETL process right there.
Yeah. So before ETL, is there any process before ETL?
Collecting the information itself.
Correcting information. Okay. Before correcting information, there should be any like business functions or no? Before, if you look at this diagram, first the function should execute. Let's suppose, for example, if this function execute, then data will generate, isn't it? What do you think? Or data will generate by self? But this is like a common sense thing. Yeah, maybe changes on other business function after the action. Yeah. See, for example, the data will be generated if there is some activities, some functions are being done over there. Okay, so at the result of some function, what will happen? The data will be generated. Okay, like, and some data, for example, symbols, machine failures are there, or what happened. See, for example, if it is like a engineering company, so see some information about the machines and symbols and counting how much time it fault there was coming over there. So this data will be generated from this business processes over there. Okay, and then you will keep, after that, extracting the information. You will do the ETL process, extract, transform, load, and then you will store into the data repositories over there. And after data repository, you do some like reporting. See, this is a reporting information and reporting over there. You will make some graphs, some like pie charts, some like bar charts over there. And so you will do some reporting over there. Okay, and the boss, your boss will be looking at these charts and graphs. Okay, and then he will say that why my machines got failed one time, why this time failed this 2 times. Okay, he will think on it. Okay, on the information, and then he will have some actions. Okay, so he will have some insights, some heuristics, some like new ideas, and then he will implement back into the function. Okay, so this process is a continuous process. So